Switch. Bathroom. Yeah. Pretty much. Size mirror. Naka-shorts ako kaya hindi na ako papakita dyan. Yan, medyo nilatag ko ng mga gamit ko. Ref, a mini fridge. And ito. Yan. Gamit ko. My shoes. Ito. Outfit for tonight. And another mirror. Vanity mirror. And a seat. Yan. Hindi ito yung room ko eh. I just got upgraded for free. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Maybe kasi alam ko ang binook ko to July pa. So I got this room for 3 nights for around 11,000. Ayan yung aking mahiwagang maleta. Curtains open. Pinaka-bet ko na part dito. Hindi ko alam bakit. I just love yung lahat ng anong klase ng automation. Makakapagpadali ng aking buhay yan. And this is the sunscreen. Let's open it. Ayan. Ayan siya. And this is the ano ba to? Diyos ko. Hindi ako taga dito. Pasensya na. Ayan. This is the balcony. Walang view. Puno. Maganda yung room nila kasi may seaside view. Nice one. No tables though. But it's okay. Gusto natin yung sunscreen. Gusto natin ito. Yung curtains medyo kailangan ng help. Hindi ko alam kung bakit parang kailangan niya ng itag. Like that. Yan. Kailangan niya lang ng help. It's the big ass TV. 2 beds. Yun lang. And now, naligo lang yung boys sa kanilang room. And we are going to find somewhere to eat dinner. Because it's actually 7 p.m. Yeah. Yeah, and these are the outlets. Para ba to? Hoy, ba't ka na kayo? Yan. Ito. Sobrang daming ilaw. Romantic mode. Uy! Uy! Ano yun? Ano to? Sayang. Wala akong kasama here. Romantic mode. Romance ang sarili. Okay, warm mode. Ayan, tapos back to normal. Hindi. Ayan, may blue light there. And you have the bright mode. Oh, yeah. It opens that. Eh, tumutunog dun. Curtains. Okay. This is the sleep mode. Oh, fuck. Ang dilim. No. Right. Scary, ha? Wall light. Eh, alam niyo na yan. Hindi ko nagagalawin yan. I think this is the wall light. Yeah. Yeah. Right, that's it. A little bit too much for one person. But hey, we paid for it. Bye!